You're sending me on an expedition to see what I can see. Look, I would rather just do nothing and talk philosophically. But I'm supposed to do something more. Well, okay, but what for? Tried to chase a vision, but it was just a dead end. Now you want me to try again, to see what I can see for you. I don't see what I see for just anybody. How will I trust you? If I give you my vision on demand, I hope you understand how vulnerable I am. When my side is your command, I just pray my eyes are in good hands. Pray my eyes are in good hands. Eyeglasses are spyglasses, and my ass is in trouble. Getting intel for the collective consciousness and seeing double. Sorry if you'd hope for better news. I can't lie when I show my honest view.